Hey everyone, I'm Jilly with One Good Thing by Jilly, and I have another one good thing to share with you. I have always wanted to try making homemade paper. It's just so pretty and elegant and adds such a nice, elegant, special touch to things. I made this one earlier. These are some place cards I made. They'd be great for the holidays, but I always figured it would be too um, hard or difficult and that it would require special equipment. But I couldn't have been more wrong on both accounts because once I decided to try my hand at making it, I not only discovered that it was so easy to do, but it's fun to do. And the results are absolutely beautiful. So it's something I have grown to love doing. It's a fun project, and so I had to share it with you. First of all, I'm just going to tell you what you need. It's so simple. This is just a dish pan full of water, and you're going to want to have two splatter guards. You know, these things you put over your skillets to keep the bacon grease from flying all over your kitchen. You'll need two of these, and your container needs to be big enough to be able to fit one of these. And then you're just going to need some paper. This is some old recycled computer printer paper, about six sheets, or you can use recycled newspaper. You can use recycled bills, any kind of paper you want. Construction paper, just keep in mind that your paper will turn out the color that the paper is. And you'll need a sponge and a couple of clean towels. We all have those. And your blender. And you might want a couple of fun add-ins. You don't have to make paper with add-ins, but it just adds a special touch, makes it even more beautiful. So and there's so many things you could do. Dried flowers. I made some place cards for my daughter's wedding several years ago with some dried flowers in it, and they just turned out lovely. But you could do some confetti that's you've snipped up. I kind of cut it up. Some glitter, little pieces of thread. Anything really goes as long as it's small enough, that it can be embedded into the paper pulp. And that's all you need. So let's get started.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun? And hold on the sun.
So what do you think? Easy and fun, right? Once you have your paper made, there's so many things that you can do with it. Once it's dry, you can trim it to any shape you want. I cut these into little place cards. You can even, if you cut it with straight sides, obviously, and the size that will work for your printer, you can even run it through your inkjet printer to put lovely fonts on it. This is just handwritten. You can do that too with a ballpoint pen. Don't use a marker because that will probably bleed too much into this kind of paper. But you can write on it with ink, and you can use any recyclable paper materials in your home. So the sky's the limit, and you can use your imagination. So I say go on, give it a try. It's practically free, and the results are beautiful. And it's just good for the soul once in a while to create something. So I hope you'll give it a try. Have a great day, everyone.